Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Answer the Public in your content strategy. Answer the Public is a powerful tool that visualizes the questions and search queries people are asking online. It helps you uncover a wealth of content ideas by showing you exactly what your audience is interested in. The platform gathers data from major search engines, presenting it in a clear, visual format that makes understanding audience intent incredibly easy. To generate content ideas, simply enter a keyword or topic relevant to your niche into the search bar. Answer the Public then creates a fascinating search cloud filled with questions, prepositions, and comparisons related to your input. For instance, if you search coffee, you might see coffee for weight loss or coffee versus tea. These insights are gold for brainstorming blog posts, video scripts, or comprehensive FAQ sections. Understanding audience intent is crucial for effective content. By analyzing the who, what, why, and how questions, you can pinpoint your audience's specific pain points and information needs. For example, if many people ask how to brew coffee at home, you know to create a detailed guide. Tailoring your content to directly address these queries ensures you're providing truly valuable resources that solve your audience's problems. Integrating Answer the Public into your content strategy can significantly boost your efforts. Use the data to plan your editorial calendar, potentially outlining content for 3 to 6 months in advance. You can also optimize existing content by adding answers to newly discovered questions, improving its comprehensiveness. Furthermore, the tool helps uncover long-tail keywords, enhancing your search engine visibility. Remember to revisit it regularly to stay updated on trending topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.